Part 3.1 Ich kann über meine Wochenendpläne sprechen und eine Verabredung treffen. Das Futur mit going to. Now talk to your partner and make arrangements for the weekend. Swap roles. Why don't we meet at the weekend? Great idea. What about Saturday afternoon? Sorry, I'm busy in the afternoon. From 4 to 6 I am going to visit Grandma. Maybe we can meet Sunday morning from 10 to 11. Yes, that's okay. I am free at 10. I don't have to learn for school. I can do that later. Okay, great. See you on Sunday. Bye. Okay, see you. Bye.